Welcome to our in-depth analysis of the highly anticipated Xiaomi 14 Pro, the upcoming flagship smartphone from the Xiaomi 14 series. This phone is set to make its official debut in the coming weeks, and the excitement is palpable. Leaks and rumors suggest that the Xiaomi 14 Pro will be the first device to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, making it one of the top-performing Android smartphones. In this video, we'll explore the key features and changes, from its display and design to its camera system and charging capabilities. One of the most striking changes in the Xiaomi 14 Pro is its display. Unlike its curved predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro will sport a flat 2.5D display. While some reports suggest there may be two variants, one flat and one curved, we'll have to wait for official confirmation. What's immediately noticeable is the impressively slim bezels surrounding the 6.6-inch screen, making for a more immersive viewing experience. The display size is slightly smaller than the previous model at 6.6 inches, with dimensions of 166.173 mm and a thickness of 8.7 mm. This redesign not only enhances aesthetics but also offers a more comfortable grip and handling. The handset's design continues to impress, with a flat metal frame that adds a touch of elegance. Xiaomi has made significant changes to the overall form factor, providing users with a sleek and slim device. Compared to the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the Xiaomi 14 Pro is slightly larger, with dimensions of 166.173 mm. The slim form factor, measuring 8.7 mm thick, ensures that the phone remains comfortable to hold while accommodating the powerful hardware within. One of the most exciting developments in the Xiaomi 14 Pro is its camera system. Unlike its predecessor, it features a larger square camera island on the back, housing 4 camera sensors. While detailed specifications are still under wraps, earlier reports suggest that the Xiaomi 14 Pro will boast a Sony IMX9 series sensor as its main camera. What's more, it's expected to offer variable aperture sizes ranging from f1.4 to f4.0, promising outstanding photography capabilities. Notably, the Xiaomi 14 Pro lacks the familiar Leica branding, which has traditionally been associated with Xiaomi's flagship camera departments. It remains to be seen whether this omission is reflected in the final product or is merely a result of the renders. The Xiaomi 14 Pro doesn't disappoint when it comes to charging capabilities. A 3C certification has already confirmed that this smartphone will support 120W wired fast charging, ensuring quick and convenient power top-ups. Additionally, it's expected to offer 50W wireless charging, a feature that was well received in its predecessor. These charging options ensure that users can keep their devices powered up without lengthy downtime. As we eagerly await the official launch of the Xiaomi 14 Pro, there's no denying the significant improvements and changes this flagship phone brings to the table. From the transformed display and slim design to the promising camera system and fast charging capabilities, Xiaomi seems poised to deliver a top-tier smartphone experience. The absence of Leica branding on the camera raises questions, but only time will tell how these changes play out in the final product. Stay tuned for more updates as we draw closer to the launch event. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.